Okay, hold on.
Yeah, 6-5. If you're out there, man, we're gonna wave a hand your way too, man.
Yeah, check on that, Uncle. I was just waiting my turn there. Hey, Uncle Craig, we see 2 Alpha 6-5. Good afternoon.
What? You stay on your flat side too?
What was that?
Are you on the flat side?
Yeah, I'm pointing towards town.
Yeah, okay. No pain, no strain there. You're looking real good out here on the west.
Yeah, check on that. I appreciate it, Uncle Craig. Hey, you looking real good in the W, man. All right, I'm gonna go slide to the side there and just figure out this thing I got going on over here on the base there. Take care, Uncle Craig. We'll put it on you later. 6-5. I'll see you.
All right. But I tell you right now, it sounds like you got it figured out. Sounds like you got it all figured out. The audio sounds good. Station looking real good in my receive there, Break.
Yeah, 410. I got the issue of some RF leaks there. That's my issue there. I already got the neighbor coming and complaining to me one day. Gotta go chase that there. Okay, Uncle Craig, man, we put it on you later. I'll be on the side. Bye-bye.
All right, take care. Take care. Have a good day. Enjoy the weekend. We'll catch you later. 6-5. Whiskey 2 West Side. Aloha.
I'll see you.
Hello there, Whiskey 2 Alpha and 6-5 out there. Old man 42 out here just got an email.
Hey, Uncle 42, good afternoon. Looking real good in the W there. Old man 42, 6-5 on the base. Bye-bye.
6-5, 166.
Right there. Old man 42, always looking good in the west. And I hope you're having a good Saturday, early afternoon as well. Uncle 42, Whiskey 2 Alpha, small station, west side, aloha.
Mailboard Radio, come on.
Oh, there's some long-winded pluckers out there. All right, 4265, we'll see you later. All right, Uncle Craig, man. I'm just out here checking this Kilmegan microphone, man. I'm on this Kilmegan hand mic, man. I switched it over there. Come on.
Yeah, okay. Not as much volume there. Not as much volume and ambience as before, but you're still looking good. I'll push the gate in your direction there. You'll be able to see it here in a few minutes.
Yeah, for Roger. Yeah, appreciate it, Uncle Craig. Yeah, I'm just sitting on this, this is a D-Rail modified microphone that pairs up with this Kilmegan radio. All right, Whiskey 2 Alpha, take care. Always shining good coming out here around Star County. Whiskey 2 Alpha, Mr. Big Shot, getting down.
Yeah, okay, you take care, Big Shot. I will tell you this, man. I switched back to my old radio. I finally replaced the meter lights in my old radio. Got some LEDs in there now, so it's a little bit brighter. But the signal strength meter on this radio is a lot more stingy than the other one. So don't expect to hit me up at 40 plus there like you were before. But you up there in the red there. You see them when I post it. We'll catch you later, Big Shot. Have a good weekend. And we'll catch up to you later on. Aloha.
Yeah, for Roger. All right, then we'll see you later, man. I think the neighbor's doing some talking down under, so I will swing the Kilmegan beam down that way, see what in the world's going on. Whiskey 2 Alpha, take care. Mr. Big Shot out here in Star County, getting down.
Yeah, put that. I'll be doing the same thing, man. I'm going to take a look down under and stand by on that side. Take care. We'll catch you later. Aloha.
Hey, neighbor.
Yo.
If all you did was change that microphone, man, your audio did come up there. Come on.
Yeah, that's all I did, man. I just changed the microphone. I'm working this D-Rail microphone there. Come on.
Yeah, check on that. I don't know which one that is. All right, man, it's working. The audio did come up if that's all you did there. All right, neighbor, we put it on you later. We're just going to swing around to the other side there. Audio 6-5 on the top. Bye.
Real good copy, 6-5. Take care. I'll see you later, Kilmegan. Always sound real nice. I'm going to swing the beam down, man. I think we're down under coming in my radio. 65, Big Shot, Star County, getting down.
Bye.